21st October 2019, we are observing Police Commemoration Day throughout India. On 21st October 1959, when a section of Indian police forces were patrolling border area of Ladakh, armed forces of China suddenly attacked our forces, in which 10 Jawans lost their lives. Since then, every year 21st October is observed as Police Commemoration Day to pay homage to the police personnel who lost their lives. During the period of last 1 year, that is from 1st September 2018 to 31st August 2019, in all, 292 police personnel from different state police forces and paramilitary forces have laid down their lives during the call of duty.